Hey, future millionaires, welcome back to Elevate Life Prosper, the hub for turning dreams into fortunes. Today we delve into wealth-building strategies for teens. First up is mindset. Embrace positivity, believe in limitless potential, set lofty objectives, and envisage your success path. Next, chart out realistic financial goals, be it for education or your first entrepreneurial endeavor. Now the key is to hustle smart over hard. Utilize your energy judiciously, pursue ventures that ignite your passion. Knowledge is definitely power, it's no different with finance. Get conversant with the financial world, understand investments, and learn where to channel your money. Building a network is integral to success. Engage with online communities, learn from mentors, and monetize your skills. Explore freelance opportunities online. So, Teen Tycoons in the making, there's your guide to financial success. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember, the journey to wealth begins with the first step. Until next time, stay ambitious, stay focused, and keep chasing those dreams.